Planet Earth, a theater of life, death, and the strangest planet in the universe, home of various different life forms. Here the cycle of nature plays out with unflinching drama. But amidst this chaos, a different kind of life exists. At first glance, they appear human. But look closer. The unwavering smile, the gentle, rhythmic sway that has no beginning and no end. These are not tourists who have lost their way. They are the background people, a species uniquely adapted to a very specific and very strange habitat. The 3D scenes of the digital world of Blender.
We are the background people. We are the background people. We are the background people. The people in the background. Low poly and not so round. Our life is not profound. We don't even make a sound. Because we are the background people. Background people. People in the background people. Background people. We are the background people. The background people. We are 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 the background people.
That's who we are in the background.
Now you know who the background people are. Let me tell you what you can do with them and how. The Background People Blender add-on lets you place animated characters in your 3D scenes. These characters come in two versions, 7K trees and 800 trees. Every character has infinitely looping animations from a pool of over 160 different animations. They all have 8 animations in these categories: walk, talk, idle, sit, dance, sit crowd, crowd, and special, making them suitable for almost any situation. You can import them to the 3D cursor or just place them with your mouse. There's also an option to place them along a curve, allowing you to quickly fill seats, form a queue, or even a whole dance floor. You can also place whole groups at once. In 9 different formations, including random placement, school class, nightclub, concert crowd, stadium crowd, and tour group. Each group type has its own animation type filtering, or you can pick an animation yourself. Because we also have a walking animation category, we also added an auto-walk function and an easy way to make the characters follow a path or curve. As for the characters itself, the add-on comes with a whopping 80 different characters, 40 men and 40 women from all over the world. With a few clicks, you can also make the characters look at an object, which they will follow with their head. Ideal for concerts and sports. We have also added an option to add your own custom animated characters, which will have the same options as the background people when it comes to placement, looping, looking at an object, etc. If you make thumbnails for them, they will be shown in the add-on as well. A wireframe mode is available for heavy scenes, and texture sharing is automatically enabled. We are also already working on expansion packs for this add-on, allowing you to place characters in tons of different situations. Already planned are business people, sports people, festival or party people, and background people for themes as science fiction, Wild West, and medieval. We will continue developing this add-on until it is perfect, so you can chime in on features via our Discord channel.